5 years before the Great War that tore the Nationals and Royals apart, the two factions built a great town around what is now known as Buccaneer Bay. However, there's one thing about the town that was extremely mysterious: the waterfall. What was behind it? Everyone was dying to know. My name is T. Pangolin, and I'm exploring in the National Army, and I will find out what is behind that waterfall. I will fulfill my destiny. Today is the day. We are launching. I will finally fly my plane into the waterfall to see what's actually inside it.
You don't have to do this.
Don't worry, it's my destiny. Well, that's strange. Where's my welcome party? My car! Why is it burning? I'll have to repair this. There better be a surprise party for me when I get back. Look out! No! I killed them! Zombies? Run for it!
It was only a joke. You can wake up now. T-Pang? T-Pang? T-Pang?